Even in Muslim nations, people are resorting to pornography and stuff like this. And this is a plea to the parents: when your child reaches a marriageable age, marry them off. The parents that say,
oh, he's not mature yet, he's not ready yet.
Then my question to you is, what the heck have you been doing? Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. As I'm sure you're aware, there was news that Pope Francis, I think, well, he's a pope, yeah? I've forgotten his name. And he said that even priests and nuns have succumbed to pornography. And this is something that may come as a shock to some people. But I had to show you guys this. They are making food for animals, and I had to put this in here. I'm sorry guys, I know it doesn't match the topic, and I know I got the little don here. Look at this, but let's go through. So guys, what's interesting is this is something that a lot of people find difficult to digest, like this food perhaps. That how is it that a priest or a nun can succumb to something like this? Well, I will say even imams, sheikhs, as I'm sure some of you are aware, some of you aren't. We're living in cloud cuckoo land. Yeah, we assume that just because somebody has a beard, somebody wears a hijab, they are perfect, that they will implement every aspect of the religion. But as the dog articulately puts it, that is absolutely not the case. And as Yusuf Estes once said, who are the best males in Christianity? Well, the priests. They don't get married. Who are the best women? They are the nuns. They don't get married. Then who's getting married? The chaff. The people that are, you know, low, not very good, ruffians, jokers. So I'm obviously not saying that, it's like an anecdote. It doesn't mean that people that get married are like that. But if the best people aren't getting married, the question still stands, who is getting married? Now, in Islam, there's no such thing as, you know, not getting married. This is not something that is encouraged, yeah? In fact, what's fascinating is, as you guys can see from this, the feces, the biofuel, this is actually dried cow dung. This is something that I think is apt for what we're talking about. Something that used to happen back in the days, mate. It's no longer relevant. For some people, perhaps, but for the general masses, we have an innate desire within us to procreate. That's why a man, when he is not married, naturally certain liquid will come out, called a wet dream. You know what I'm saying? So in that regard, it's actually a mercy. It shows us the beauty of Islam, where Islam shows us how to completely live our life, because Allah knows that we have certain desires, we have certain things within us, and those things within us need an outlet. If they don't receive an outlet, guys, whether you're a priest, whether you're a nun, that's why child abuse and all that sort of stuff, because that's what's in front of you. And when that desire kicks in, a person becomes irrational. They become irrational. You know what I'm saying? So in Islam, alhamdulillah, it shows us the complete nature of Islam. And guys, this I will also not just point fingers at our Christian brethren, also Muslims as well. Families have made nikah very, very difficult. Yes, nikah has become a bane. It's become something that is no longer practical. And because of that, you'll see even in Muslim nations, people are resorting to pornography and stuff like this. And this is a plea to the parents: when your child reaches a marriageable age, marry them off. The parents that say,
oh, he's not mature yet, he's not ready yet.
Then my question to you is, what the heck have you been doing for the last 15 years? Why are your children not ready? Why are you giving that sort of answer when that was your responsibility? Don't now blame the kids and they're out merrymaking and doing the haram. You know what I'm saying? Doing the haram act. Like, that's not right. You shouldn't be doing that, mate. You know what I mean? No, you don't do that, mate. Yeah? You don't do that. So, guys, this is very important to say. This is very important. Listen to what I'm saying. When you reach a marriageable age, you need to get married. ठीक है? Makes me sick how some parents treat their kids. गंदे हाथ साफ कर देते हो इधर. So, oh, dangerous. This is how, I'm not going to say that. There's some kids, nowadays the kids are hitting the adults, frankly. That's the times. That's where the ummah's going, mate. Got people like this. Alright, sorry, mate. Sorry. I don't mean no harm. No disrespect, yeah? So, alright, end the video, yeah? Alright, guys, I think we've made the... I think I've reached the end of the video. And we've made all the points. And guys, alhamdulillah for al-Islam. Alhamdulillah that Allah has blessed us with this religion. And we just need to follow it. And if we follow it, guys, we will be successful. But let's not bury our heads in the sand. You know what I'm saying? Let's not bury our heads in the sand and ignore that these things are taking place. And I commend the Pope for saying this, and he will get a lot of backlash for this, but we don't take it in a negative way that,
Oh, look, the Christians are like this.
no, it's the Christians, the Muslims and the Jews. You know what I'm saying? Because we have an innate attraction to the opposite gender. This has become something that's a taboo topic to even mention. This is what's being taught in the schools, that no, there's multiple genders, there's this, there's that. You know what I'm saying? You have to dig for the truth. You have to dig. You know what I'm saying? You have to look for the truth. Is it there? Is that the truth? You see? Truth. He's searching. Good man. He's not my son, by the way. Let's leave it there, guys. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum. Wise words.